Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Venmo picture. So first, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not going to be the video for you. I cannot log into my account since I'm not inside the US at the moment, so I apologize for that. So how can you change your Venmo picture? So normally, if you go to the Me tab at the bottom right and here, as you can see, you can go to your profile right away. And once you click on there as example, you probably will find yourself or your account normally. And from there, you can click on your picture and, of course, change it from there. So, to provide more visuals, or let's just start with this article. First, as we said, you can go to Me, go to settings, and you can check the settings that you want to update, which is going to be probably our picture as we said. So, as I said, for to provide more visuals, let's just see this video here how to do it. So, as you can see, you'll have to log in into your Venmo card and click on this Me button and then click on your profile picture. Or as example, go to settings, then click on account. Then once you click on accounts, go to profile and then click on this pencil button. Once you click on this pencil button, of course, you can choose another picture that you can put. As you can see, you can adjust it however you want. Click on save and your new picture will be saved. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and good.